basic steps that go into how do you prepare for a call. And I break this down over 3 main videos. So what we're going to be looking at is how do you prepare for your customer, how do you prepare for their business, and actually how do you prepare for the industry that you're selling into or their industry. And the reason I break it down this way, and a clear distinction to make, is that, and in fact almost one of the first notes I would write down, is actually one of the most crucial steps when it comes to sales and prepping for those calls, is how you separate the relationship with the individual you're trying to sell to from the business that they work for. And the reason I share this is that a lot of people, although yes they work for a business, they have their own personal motives, they have their own personal goals, their own agendas that they want to achieve out of particular projects or timelines. Where I've seen really good salespeople master this is when they dive into those personal motives long before they concentrate on the business. Even if you're talking to a business owner or MD or CEO, 9 times out of 10, they will have a motive. They will have something personal to them that is driving the ambition of this next goal. So the first thing I'll talk about is really encouraging you to think about what's the relationship you're trying to build with this individual, and how can you make sure you always separate the individual from the business they're working for, even if they are the owner or the MD. So course structure in summary is broken down into 3 main videos. As I said, maximum 20 minutes. But the first lesson I want to share is actually how do you make sure you consistently separate the individual that you're trying to talk to from their business.